Hey, how's it going, guys? And on today's episode, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to open a Proxima Marine Master 300 case. A lot of you have been asking me how do I open this case since it's a monocod case. So I'll be showing you how to do that. What you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver, case holder, and then I guess a case pack opener. I'll show you how to remove it, and also you will need a removal tool as well. So first thing you want to do is remove the bezel. They're really easy to remove. Now the bezel is removed. You'll see how the crystal is held into place. So what you want to do is you want to use your case back removal tool, and you want to go in a clockwise turn. And there it is. The crystal is off. Put that off to the side. And then you'll see here when you turn the crown, right there is a screw. You want to remove that screw, so make sure you pull out the crown all the way. Do you hear it click? Now what you want to do is unscrew that screw just a little bit. Don't unscrew it all the way, just a tiny bit. It will move on you, so just take your time. You might need a smaller screwdriver. And then the crown should come right out. Let me loosen a little bit more. There it is. The crown is out. So what you want to do is push that back in. And now you'll be able to remove the movement from the case. Just be careful. And there you go, guys. Pretty simple. As you can see, there is this right here. This ring holds the movement in place. Just don't lose that that little screw or nut that goes on to the crown right here. And the crown is cut in half, as you see here. It's a shortened crown or a stem. So you can remove it. Just be careful. Make sure not to lose that. And then if you're going to do a dial swap, you can swap the dial, and then putting it back together is, as simple as, taking it apart. Alright guys, just want to give you a quick tutorial on how to open up a Marine Master or a Proxima Marine Master 300 case. Really simple to do. Hopefully you guys will get a few of these. I know I really like these. I wear them a lot. I love the PVD coated one. And if you're not subscribed, guys, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell icon to be notified of my next video. And I also have an Instagram. You can follow me on my Instagram. It's the Timekeeper IG. If you want to, DM me or follow me, that'd be great. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day.